Third class science, parts of a plant. Here children write the names of two food items which can be made with. Okay, ఇక్కడ food items ఉన్నాయి. You can write made with two items. Okay, food items you can write here: wheat, carrot, potatoes. You can write food items can be made with these items right here. Okay, let us read about the different parts of a plant. Right, so it is a fruit, carrot, root, seeds, flowers, cauliflower or cabbage, leaves. Okay, here see children, these are a parts of a plant. Once look at the board children. Sixth lesson, parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Okay, it is a plant children. Okay, it is a balsam plant. Plant have a flower, stem, fruit, bud, leaves, branches, root. These are the parts of a plant: flower, stem, fruits, bud, leaves, branches and root. I have written the here, see children. So here parts of a plant: flower, stem, bud, fruits, leaves, branches and root. These are the parts of a plant: flower, stem, bud, fruits, leaves, branches, root. These are a part of a plant. Okay, here's flower, stem, fruits, bud, leaves, branches, root. These are the parts of a plant. Okay, these parts of a plant, flower to branches, called as shoot part. It's called as shoot part. Okay, it's a root part. It is a root part, and above the ground is called as shoot part. Okay, why it's called shoot part and root part? Here see children, a part of a plant which grows above the ground. Okay, which grows above the ground, called as above the ground, called as shoot. SHOOT, shoot. Okay, here see, look at the picture. A part of a plant which grows above the ground. It is a ground part. It is a below the ground, and it is a above the ground. Okay, these parts, a parts of a plant, it is a parts of a plant which grows above the ground. It is a below the ground. Above the ground, it is a above the ground. Above the ground, which parts are the grows above the ground is called as shoot part. Which parts are the grows above the ground? Flower, stem, fruits, bud, leaves, branches. Okay, these are the grows above the ground. Okay, these parts are called as shoot. Can you understand? A part of a plant, it is a total plant. Okay, these part of a plants which grows above the ground కన్నా పైన ఏమైతే గ్రో అవుతాయో వాటిని షూట్ అంటాం. ఏమంటాం? షూట్ అంటాం. ఏం గ్రో అవుతున్నాయి ఇక్కడ అబౌవ్ ద గ్రౌండ్? బ్రాంచెస్, లీవ్స్, బడ్, ఫ్రూట్స్, స్టెమ్, ఫ్లవర్. These are all called as shoot part. Totally called as shoot. And which parts are the grow on the below the ground? ఏ parts below the ground అవుతున్నాయి? below the ground grow అవుతున్నాయి? root. Below the ground, which parts are the grow? Root. It's a root. Can you understand? Which A part of a plant which grows above the ground, called as shoot, and part of a plant which grows below the ground is called as root. These are the shoot and root. Above the ground, which grows above the ground called as shoot part, and below the ground called as root part. Shoot and root. Can you understand? Shoot and root. Okay? Shoot means which grows above the ground, is called shoot part. Which grows above the ground is called as shoot part, and which grows below the ground is called as root part. Above the ground is called as shoot part, below the ground is called as root part. Okay, the shoot has flower, stem, fruits, bud, leaves, branches. Okay, the shoot has stem, branches, leaves, buds, branches. It is a shoot part. Okay, next root part. Root is below the ground. Root. Okay, roots also two types. Tap root and fibrous root. Roots also two types of roots. Tap root and fibrous root. Okay, tomorrow we will discuss types of roots. Okay, once again I repeat you total parts of a plant. It is a plant have a flower, stem, fruits, buds, leaves, branches and root. These are the parts of a plant. Okay, these are the parts of a plant. Which are the parts of a plant? Flower, stem, fruits, bud, leaves, branches, root. These are the parts of a plant. Okay, here see these parts: flower, stem, fruits, bud, leaves, branches. These plants are the grows above the ground. These parts are the grows above the ground, is called as shoot. Above the ground grows parts of the plants are called as shoot. Okay, a part of a plant which grows above the ground is called as shoot, and a part of a plant which grows below the ground is called as root part. Plant have two parts. Which part? Shoot part and root part. Above the ground is called as shoot part. Below the ground is called as root part. These are the two parts of a plant. Once again say, children, parts of a plant's names: flower, stem, fruits, bud, leaves, branches, root. These are the parts of a plant. Okay, above the ground is called as shoot part. Below the ground parts called as root part. Shoot and root part. Okay, roots are two types: tap root and fibrous root. Tomorrow we will discuss types of a root. Okay, today we will discuss parts of a plant: shoot part and root part. Okay, children, you also draw one plant and their names. Okay, write their names. Draw the plant and their names. Write their names. Okay, children, thank you.